Hello folks and welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about Discord and specifically Discord for mobile applications like your phone, your tablet, whatever. You know how the Discord have, let me just first start Discord. You know how Discord have like this gray background, and if we go into options and appearance, let me find it. If you go into options and appearance, we have these two themes. One is light, where is making this white, and this one is really, I don't know, it's really not a good one. As you can see, it's too bright, but there is another method, another theme that you can use. So let me just go into appearance again, and if we click on dark, again it's this like a grading. It's not completely dark, but if we click on dark, like tap 9 times, so if you click tapping, we have emulate optimize mode. So if we turn in this on, it's gonna be a pitch black, and your screen and your eyes are going to be able to see way better, and Discord is looking, in my opinion, way better like this, like with pitch black. It's really something that I like, that I'm using. I wanted to show you this. So if you have any other tips for Discord that you can make it look cooler or something, please let me know in the comments below, and I hope I'm gonna see you in the next one.